Hello guys, my name is Cyber33 and we are going to create two different screens and going from one to another by using transition in Python Kivy Screen Manager. So let us get started. First of all, create your project folder. Import this folder into your IDE. And create new Python file inside. Do not forget to install Kivy package and check the version. I already installed Kivy. To get the version right, pip list. My Kivy version is 2.3, but you can use other versions as well. Also, make sure to install this extension. It is very useful when you write Kivy syntax. Now, create your Kivy file with any name you want. I just name it XYZ. First line must be written like this. And your Kivy version. We have to import Kivy app from Kivy, lowercase app, import uppercase a app. Create a class from app like this. Your Kivy file name with uppercase A app inherits from uppercase A app. Just like this. We need some other imports here from Kivy.uix.screen manager import screen manager and your transition. As you can see, there are many transitions that you can choose from, but I like swap transition. Now you have to create screen class for each screen. You can write any name that you want, which inherits from screen. Same thing for the second screen. And finally, XYZ app parentheses dot run parentheses and run your program. At this moment, if you have no window or you got any error, you can ask me in the comments. Get back to your Kivy file and copy the name of your screen classes and paste it here. Also, give each one a specific name. Go back to your app class and type def build self. On the inside, define screen manager parentheses screen manager dot add widget screen 1 and screen 2 as well, and set the screen manager transition to swap transition that we imported. At the end, return this screen manager. And do not forget to add parentheses for swap transition here. Okay, let's add a few buttons. My button has a text and it does something when I release the button, and it has a background color which is 0 red, 100% green, 0 blue, and 100% opacity. And when I release the button, set the current screen to the screen 2. Write something for the text. Let's run to see what happens. When I press and release the big green button, I can swap to a screen 2 which is empty. Copy and paste the same button for the screen 2. Change the text. From screen 2, I wanna go to screen 1. In this RGB color section, I make the color blue. 0 red, 0 green, 100% blue, and 100% opacity. And this is the final result. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, because in the future videos I'm going to release a full tutorial on Kivy for free. Thanks for watching and goodbye.